One of the signs that we're looking for when we're out here setting is not only a culvert that's obviously being used, we're looking for these feces. And a skunk's feces are almost entirely made up out of insects. Now I don't like to squeeze them in my hands, check and see if they're moist or warm, but you can see all the exoskeletons of the little pieces of grasshopper in there. That's a skunk dropping, and it's reasonably fresh. If you come over here and take a look at this culvert, they don't always have a trail going off into the field. Sometimes the animals are actually traveling on the road. There's a trail that looks like it's coming from the road. There's no trail on the other side of the road going in or out of the culvert, and there's no trail, obvious trail, going into the field to the back of the cameraman. But this is obviously being used. So I'm going to put a body grip here in the entrance of it, do minimal amount of blocking. And when I work out of the truck, I like to have everything orderly, in an orderly fashion. That way I'm not yanking and tugging on a big tangled up mess. So I've got my extension wire on here, and 9 times out of 10 when that animal gets caught, he's going to go back in the tube. Get out of sight of everybody and birds of prey, which is an important thing. So we're going to take this body grip and put it right in there. It doesn't have to be complicated. Trapping's just, you'll learn a few basic things, and then it's just good equipment, animal population, and work ethic. Take your safety catches off. I'm going to take some of this already loose grass, just pile it up on the spring there, fluff this up. That's as easy as it gets to make a set.
Wiebe Knives, voted one of Field & Stream's best hunting products. It's the last knife you'll ever need to buy to use in the outdoors. Every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 wicked sharp replacement blades, so you'll never be caught with a dull knife. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 free replacement blades at WiebeKnives.com.